Hey everybody, hope y'all are having a great day, staying warm, staying out of the freezing cold. Today I want to talk to you about being wary of backwards looking results and how they can be just completely misconstrued. Because I just actually saw a client's portfolio or a proposal of a portfolio that showed an expected rate of return of 9.2%, which is certainly within the realm of possibility over a lifetime of investing, no question. But how this portfolio was laid out is it had something like 20% or it was 20 to 30% in 10 to 15 year treasuries, and it was using the last 20 years as the expected return going forward from 10 to 15 year treasuries. Over the last 20 years, 10 to 15 year treasuries have compounded at 7.5%. If you expect to earn 7.5% compounded on 10 to 15 year treasuries going forward, that is almost an impossibility. When interest rates in 20 years ago, let's say in 1995, were the 10-year treasury might have been at 5%. It's at 2 right now. It's under the 10 years under 2% at historic lows. There's no way you're going to get that. This portfolio also illustrated the expected returns of MLPs at 15.8%. This is an asset class that has been bought up drastically over the last several years. Expecting that going forward is just totally unrealistic. The expected return, though, of large cap stocks and small cap stocks was about 9, and then other sort of alternative assets, expected returns extremely high for what they would. Expected returns of real estate going forward was shown at 12%. That's all great if we had a time machine and could go back to 1995 and put that money to work then. The reality is, it's 2015. We got to put that money to work today going forward. And those expected results just aren't there. So you start to put your assets to work in the areas that do have the highest expected return. Those are small companies, companies that are value companies relative to growth companies. Those will always be discounted and do have high expected returns going forward. And if you put your money to work in the right way, the next 20 years can look very good. But basing it on what happened 20 years ago or how you should have invested had it been 1995 is not really the wisest way to put your money to work going forward. If you have any questions about this at all, give me a call, 770-984-2312. Hope your money's making money for you. Have a great week.